how to install the RV shower corner storage bar. It's really pretty flexible, so these pads can actually be swiveled all the way around. So if you have a weird angled shower shelf, you can mount it at a weird angle like this. Or if you have a flat recessed cubby, you can mount it against the wall like that as well. And the bar also extends a pretty big range because you're going to have a wide variety of different sizes of shower shelves in campers. So we recommend putting your toiletries into the shower first to make sure you get the bar at the right height. If you put the bar too low, the stuff could tip out when you're in transit. If you put it too high, the stuff could slip out the bottom while you're in transit. So we recommend somewhere a little bit less than halfway up, and get it into place here, push against the walls, and that's about it. If for some reason the pads don't work, because the adhesive is going to work on the vast majority of your campers, we also have another option. So the bar comes with these pads on the side that can be removed. There's a screw here and a screw here. You pop them out, and you pop in what we call the flexible screw pad. Flexible screw pad swivels just like the other one, but what's unique to it is it actually will bend up like so, because a lot of showers in RVs are this flexible kind of fiberglass material. They're not exactly going to be flat. So these pads can be screwed for a more secure fit into the actual shower like so, and they're going to conform to the surface of the actual shower.